my why for being a part of the First Choice Repair Network is simply, I just love the relationship working with the field adjusters, the desk adjusters to help the homeowners. Because I feel like when we're involved in the process in putting the roof on, inspecting the roof, it's a seamless process. It's smooth for the homeowners and it gives them a great experience that reflects well not only in Security First, but also on us and our company, which allows us to do great work. And we have a great partnership with Security First and the First Choice Repair Network. So that's our why. We like to help the homeowners because we know Security First wants to help the homeowners.
Our why for being a preferred vendor for Security First is because we've never worked with another insurance provider that takes care of their homeowners like Security First does, and that aligns with our image, taking care of the people that need help.
So I think the why primarily sits with the fact that Paul Davis Restoration prides itself in being here for your insureds in their time of need. We've covered everything from the water mitigation side to the reconstruction, but the way that we do our water mit is to set up your insureds for success. With some of the different policies that are out there, we're knowledgeable enough to know that we're not going to repair every single one, so we're going to leave them in the best situation that they can so that they can move on to the next level of their repairs.